So actually we can alter the size of the chart made like this. Okay. And using the slider, we can see the entire chart. Okay. And now if I want a particular title over here, what I should do is I should go to text box. Okay. And there I can change the size of it. Like I will take 40 itself so that I can make a title out of it. Dashboard. Okay. Dashboard 1. Okay. And I will resize it like this. And I will put it over there. Like this is my dashboard, right? Okay. And I will wait. Okay. So I have to actually move it. Okay. There is some problem with the mouse. Okay. Yeah. Like this, you can put it as a title. You can make it bold also. Okay. Select it completely. Right. Control A. You can use Control A also. Make it bold, italic, and you can do rest of the things like underline, whatever you want, you can do that. Okay. It's work similar to a word. Okay. So this is your title. Right. And so this is how you can make a bar chart. Similarly, you can, by selecting the visual itself, you can make different chart out of it. If you want a donut chart for this, you can go to the donut, you can select the visual, you can go to donut chart, and when you will click it, you can see now it is a donut chart. If you want to make it as a pie chart, that is also possible. If you want to make it as funnel chart, this is funnel chart. Highest value will be at the top and lowest value will be at the bottom, like this. Okay. So all those two things you can do. Similar kind of formatting you can try out there also. Okay, explore that thing by yourself. As I told you regarding bar chart, how we can do the formatting. The same way you please try to do formatting of pie chart, donut chart and all. Here also you can change the color of them. Okay. See, regarding this pie chart, I will go to the format option and there, this is legend. Legend is all good. Uttar Pradesh, this color like that it is showing. Okay. Regarding slice, if you want to change the color, like Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, they are having the same color. If you want to change the color to something else, okay, so that or something else is better. Like we can take this color, okay, some rare color. Okay, whichever is color is getting repeated, you can change it by your own. Okay, like blue color. Okay, like this you can change it. For that you have to go to slices and change the color, right? And now detailed labels. These are labels 75, 35, whatever is there. If you want it is in a particular form, you can go to detail labels. Okay, and labels is being shown outside. You can make it shown inside also like this. Okay, you can make it shown prefer outside also. Okay, whichever is okay for you. If you want completely in outside, you can choose it. And here number of districts and percentage in the total is shown. If you want only number of district, okay, in that case, you can go to label contents, okay, and you can choose percentage, data value. You can choose data value. It will show you districts in different states, number of districts in different state. If you want percentage, go to this and take percentage of total. So it is showing you percentage of total. Okay. And if you want both together, okay, both percentage and data value together, you have to click on it. You can choose everything. If you are choosing this all detail labels, it will show you name of the state, number of district it is having, and percentage of the total number of district it is having. Is it clear, all of you? You can choose any style that you want. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And regarding values, you can change its size like this. Okay. Whatever formatting I have told you earlier, the same thing you can apply here also. Okay. You can rotate the chart.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you get that recorded video, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
This session?
I will share it with you. I will put it in the YouTube channel of Yoshops and you can get it from there. Okay, I'm recording it.
Ma'am, can
Okay.
we pause it now so that we can attend Python class?
Yeah, you can leave the class. If you want, you can join, stay here, or if you want, you can leave it. Okay. All of you want to
Okay,
leave,
ma'am.
so shall I wind up the meeting here itself?
We have Python now.
Yeah,
Python.
that's I'm saying. If you want to leave, I will stop sharing. I mean, I will close the meeting here itself. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then bye all.
Hello, ma'am. Just
Bye,
one
ma'am.
doubt.
Yeah.
How do we make live dashboards?
What?
Like live dashboards. This is like static data. Then this is like all static dashboard, right?
Static.
If the data is coming in, so like our even dashboard is changing according to the data.
Yeah, we can use filter
Have
slicers and all in order to make it live dashboards. We can
okay.
use filters. Filters are there. It is static one. We can use slicer in order to, I mean, filter out things. See, this is
No,
like,
but this will affect only the data of what we have. I'm talking about like
yeah, see,
the
I will tell you how. See, this is slicer. Okay, this is slicer.
yeah.
And what I will do is I will put the state type in field so that I can differentiate the union territories and state different. I mean, if I want only state, it will show me charts according to state only. Okay, if I want only union territories, I have to deselect it and I will choose the union territories. So it is showing me union territory only. This is what you wanted to ask.
Yeah, but I was asking like when I'm submitting the Yoshop survey, so like the like the most recent ones when they get
Okay, okay.
added.
Understood. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I will show you how.
yeah.
See, what you have to do, you have to refresh it. That's it. The
Oh,
new
okay.
file name should be the same only and it should be in the same location. Only what you have to do is you have to refresh it.
But when we refresh it, it doesn't do the same the whole process
See,
on
I
the
will
whole file.
show you how you should go to get data. I have some files,
Yeah,
I guess. Go to get data.
yeah.
Choose this Excel, whatever it is. Okay. And where it is. This is December 6. This is also December 6. This is December 7. Okay, then we
Okay.
can compare it.
Yeah, yeah.
I will take these two charts together. Okay, Control C. Okay. Wait. I'll go to downloads. Okay. In downloads. Yes, this is regarding December 6 and this is regarding December 7, right? So I will choose
Yeah.
these two things. Okay, Control C. Now what I will do is I will make a folder. Okay, like survey.
Yeah.
Right, and I will paste it over there. Control V. Okay, I will rename it. I will simply rename it as survey. Okay, survey.
Okay.
Okay. This is
Yeah.
okay. So I will rename it as survey 1. This one I will keep it as survey itself. Okay. Later I will delete it. This is, I think, up to December 6. I will open it. Wait.
That's up to
We will
December
see what is
7.
the change in it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it is showing us data up to December 6. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
this one is showing data up to, it's getting loaded. Okay, this one is showing data up to December 7. 2 more
Yeah.
entries are there.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are doing is, right now I'm taking survey one only. So I will go to Power BI, okay. I will go to get data and there I will choose Excel workbook. And in
Yeah.
desktop, I will take this, where it is, survey, right? And I will take the survey one. This was regarding December 6th. Okay, I will
Yes.
open it.
Yes.
Right now, I'm simply loading it. Okay. Actually,
Yeah.
you should clean it properly by using
Transform
this
data.
transform
Yeah.
data. Okay. Right now, I will simply load it.
Yeah, that's fine. But like every time we have to do transform data, even if the file is new, like every like December for December 7, December 8.
It's better to go with transform data instead of directly loading it.
Are there any steps for like transforming, like remove
Yeah.
duplicates, remove like only like formal steps? We don't have to do differently every time. If you follow the same steps every time, that's fine.
If we follow same
Or
step,
okay.
I'm not getting your point. Okay, I will rename it. I will rename it to something else like survey itself. I will rename. Okay. What is our data set is survey one. Okay, it is showing us data up to December 6. Now what I will do is I will remove this data set. Okay, I will delete it and I will rename it as
Okay.
survey one.
Okay.
Okay, I think it will work. Let us see. Right now, what I will do is I will refresh it.
So isn't the same table? So
Let us see.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so it is showing us the data of December 7 also. Understood? You should keep the location and
Okay.
file name the same only.
Okay.
Clear?
So it's not loading. It's like it's connected to the folder in
Ah,
our
in that
computer.
folder, you
Okay.
have to just rename it. Put the new file,
Okay.
rename it with the old name, delete the old one,
Okay.
and just load it. That's it. I mean,
Okay.
just do refresh. It will be
Okay.
updated in your, Power BI.
Yeah. Power BI. Yeah.
Okay, like that
That's
you
good.
can do.
Thank you.
If you are getting data in future, you can do it in this manner.
Yeah.
Understood?
Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome. Okay. So guys, if you are in a hurry, we can stop the meeting right here. Okay. I'm also having a class at 3 o'clock. Okay. Thank you so much.